Hey guys, so I'm going to be doing a tutorial today basically on how to remove your motor from your sewing machine. I'm basically taking it into repair because, so this part here is squeaking. So I'm basically going to take it in. I'm going to show you guys how to take the parts off and stuff. Some stuff I've been having a little issues with. So I'm basically going to show you guys how to kind of take certain stuff off. There's certain nails that are inside the desk that have been hammered in and they don't have a hole to unscrew it. They're basically just like a screw that's like a flathead and it doesn't have anything to like unscrew it. So those I might not be able to show you guys. The best I can say for those, if we can't get it on camera, is that you might have to use pliers, or you might have to use a flathead to kind of unscrew, like to push it down, because some of them for mine are sticking out already. So it just all depends, or I might have to get extra help for that because it's kind of tricky, like I said. But I'll show you guys the best I can do, and then when it's time to put it back on, I will show you guys that as well. So we're gonna start with the foot. So we're gonna take this off. So this part here we're gonna take off, and I've already kind of unloosened it, but what you're going to do is you would take your wrench and you just basically unscrew that part, and then that part will come off. And then I'm gonna leave all this stuff, I'm gonna leave this stuff on just in case. So next we're gonna do, let's see, so these ones, like I said, they're flatheads, so I'm gonna have to keep untwisting with my hand actually to kind of loosen it up, and you'll see that it came undone. And then I'll kind of show you guys if it can focus. So if you guys can see it closely, I don't know why. There we go. You'll see it has a star on it. It's not even like anything to unscrew as far as I know. So that's one off. And what I'm going to do as well is I'm going to label everything in a plastic bag. So basically I would put, this one came from the back right. So I would take like masking tape and then I would just label it basically. So let's do this one. So I'm just twisting left and right basically. So that one's off. So that's from the left. And I would put left for that. And then this one here is cracked. So this one's cracked. I don't have to take this one out, but this one here is like very problematic. It is literally hammered in. It is hammered in crooked, so that one is the only one that I have issues with, and I don't know if I'll be able to get it out, but I'll try my best. Okay, so it hasn't fully come out, but the cord is able to slide off. So that's what we need. We need to take off the cord. So that's good. So then these two will stay on. And those will be right there, and then I'll probably just label it. And another thing you can do is, if you don't want to like put it in a plastic bag and you're not moving your desk, you can just tape them underneath on like whatever side. So left side, right side, and you know which one is which. And then I have my little light here. So you're just gonna take a screwdriver, like this. And so again, if you're like me, you'll label the screw. So I would label this left side and then right side for the other one. So then that's off, and then that's would be right side. So I'm just gonna put, so this is your fuse and everything, the power plug. So I'm just gonna put that off to the side there. Okay, so now back here, so I'm gonna work on this one first. I'm just trying to get the right angle so you guys can see. So filming this and unscrewing is actually complicated because I'm trying to get you guys as close as possible, but let's see. Okay, I can unscrew with my hand. Okay, so that's one. I see that it looks like some of the, I don't know if those bolts are supposed to be like that.
Trying to get low?
Yeah. Okay, so you're gonna make sure to hold the machine at the bottom, and if you can't hold it, get someone else to hold it. But make sure to unscrew it slow. And like I said, I don't know if these little, like, I don't know if you guys can see it. You guys can't see. I'll show you guys after, but I don't know if those are supposed to be like it looks like it has a hole in it. And I'm just like, okay, what is that? Like was this stuff broken when I bought it? Like, this is terrible. But anyways, figure it out. If it is, then I'll just have to get new nuts. So I'm just doing the last one here. Like I said, you can just mark your screws and like all the bolts, the nuts, and so forth. Also, like, always take pictures too, like if you're sending this stuff off, so you know where everything's located, what part and stuff like that. That way it's just like, let's say if you lose something, you know exactly what you lost, and then you can show anyone, like, you can go to the sewing repair people and say, hey, I'm missing this part. These are all fun, but it's just that last one. Oh, I still have one more cord. I forgot at the back here. Okay. So I'm just unscrewing the last one at the back. And then this one I would just put back, like, back screw. So same pivoting method, left, right, left, right. Unless you have, like, screws that have, like, you know, a hole that you can unscrew, then you're basically good. Okay. So that one I'll just place. Okay. And the motor is heavy too, so just keep in mind, like, if you need someone to help you with it. Okay, it is heavy, so I'm just gonna get help with it. So you're gonna unscrew all the pieces, and you're gonna hold the bottom of the motor to make sure that it's stable. And if you don't have anybody to hold the bottom of the motor, what you're gonna do is you're gonna get a box or some boxes and hold it underneath and make sure that it's stable, and then unscrew all of them, and then you're gonna pull it off. And once everything is done, you're gonna take it, pack it up, and give it to your maintenance guy, and then go from there. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Bye.